Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today, as you can gather by the caption, I'm going to be waxing my transit van. Yep, it's 35 degrees out here today. Okay, this is the UK. We're not in Australia, by the way. So it's going to be a hot job. Please subscribe if you want to, and do check out the description, as there may be something down there that may interest you or not. Anyway, we'll get right on with the video. Now the first part of this video is the unboxing, so you can see exactly where I've got the product from and exactly what wax I'm using. Wow! 12 tins of spray. This is wax from my transit. Detrion. I think that's how you pronounce it. Or Dinitrol, whichever the case may be. This is a product which we used, well, it's going to be back in the 1980s everybody was using this on their cars to protect them. So they'd still be knocking around in, well, now. Only 1 or 2 vehicles are still left on the road, even with this stuff. So you could argue, why would you want to use it? Well, the fact is that those guys never maintain their vehicles anyway, so they rotted from the outside in, if that was the case. And like with a lot of things, you can do all the chassis and everything else, but if your engine blows up, normally you wouldn't get a lot for scrappage. Right, we're going to pop outside. I'm going to show you what I'm using this on. Well guys, we're under the vehicle. Now I'm going to be showing you exactly what parts need to be doing under my van. See these lighter colour parts? This is what I'm spraying with wax. All up here. Now you can see up here where I've already started doing some. Now as you move down the body work, you can see those lighter pieces. That all needs to be done. And also down the side of the vehicle. And see up here, this area all wants to be sprayed. And some more up here. Well, there you go guys, that was a simple unboxing. Now, prepping the vehicle first. First and foremost, you need to scrub off all the rubbish that's actually under the vehicle. Now, I've used a K7 with this attachment. Now all I did is turned it up that way round and gone under the vehicle like this. And of course it sprays up. I mean, this is a surface cleaner. It's just ideal for that. And also using the other end of your Karcher, which has got like, it's for doing slabs and things. It's ideal for getting off all the rubbish. Once you've done that, what you need to do then is go over with this stuff. It's actually a Built Hammer snow foam. This is quite concentrate and this is really good stuff. And this will remove any tar bits and dirt that's left over. Spray this under the vehicle. And once again, go over with the surface cleaner. Now in a temperature like today, it's 35 degrees. The bottom of that vehicle will take, say, a couple of hours to go dry. Practically, it needs to be a dry vehicle. Once you've done that, all we're going to be doing is jacking it up and masking the van off completely all the way around before we spray underneath the van with any wax. Because though this wax will come off your bodywork, it'll save time and energy if you mask it all off all the way around, which does make sense. And always start off with a clean van first before you start. So if any overspray does go on the van, it does make it easier for it to come off. And now I'll show you what I've done earlier. One place that it's going to be very important to do is get under here. So if you've got a spray tin, hopefully you've got a little hose on it to get underneath, to get up that ridge. So, I'm all ready for the go. And now the van's all been done. Now I'll show you under the van and let you see what I've done. Start by getting under the vehicle. This has been covered with wax all the way through. This is the back end of the van. And obviously this is where the spare wheel would normally go. And all the way down the sides. Goes right down to the bottom there. And it was this edge part which was really, really important to do. And this is a look from the other angle. It's getting in all those box sections. Now, if you're buying this wax off of eBay or Amazon, it's important that the pack you buy is to get the gun included. It simply just fits over the top, like that. And also, they do different tops. This is a standard spray top, but you can get ones which actually injects into the bodywork, and also one with a straw. Now the straw one is very important really, because this is a sports body kit. It is a bit different. You can't get to where you want to. You do need the straw. As on a sports body kit, it is actually overhanging the metalwork. So you do need to get to the back of that metalwork. And even when you're jacking a sports transit up, there's no jack up points on it because of the body kit. Well, there you go, guys. It's as easy as that. Do check the description below, as there may be something down there that may interest you. And also I have popped down that link to where you can get the wax from. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!